Hi, my name is Sara and welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. Today we will be practicing yoga to strengthen lower back. In today's practice, we're going through a sequence to strengthen your lower back. Having a strong core and a lower back builds the base for many asanas. This sequence will help you to go deeper into your practice in a safe way. We will start this sequence in a cat-cow posture. So coming into your all fours, making sure that your knees are underneath your hips and that your shoulders are above your arms. Do not overbend your elbows, keep them micro-bended to keep it in a safe way. And from here, we start with a cow. So with an inhalation, bend, curve your back, look up. And with an exhalation, push your shoulders up, curve your tailbone in. And with an inhale, we go back to cow. Exhale, coming back to cat. Inhale, making your way to cow. And exhale, coming back to cat. This is to warm up your spine, your back, and your lower back. Now coming out of this posture, cross your ankles, and we're gonna roll into a seated pose. We're coming into Paripurna Navasana, which is a boat pose. It's really good for your core. In here, make sure that your weight is equal in your both sitting bones. And you lift your legs up. Now there's a few different variations. You remember to keep your chest up by all the times. You can straighten your legs completely. Whoop. Keep your hands by the sides. You can bend them, or if this is hard, you can hold on to your thighs. We're gonna stay here for 3 breaths. Release. Have a breath down here, and we're going to repeat this 2 more times for 3 breaths. Coming back with an inhalation, lift your legs up. Keep your chest up, do not let it fall. And with an exhale, come back down. Good, 2 out of 3 done. 1 more to go. This is great for warming up your whole body. And we go once more. So inhale, lift your legs up, place your arms beside, chest up. And release. From both pose, we're coming into a bridge. So grab from behind your thighs and lower yourself back on the floor vertebra by vertebra. Bring your feet close to your buttocks and your arms beside you, and make sure that your fingertips touch your heels in the correct posture. And from here, we start with an inhalation. We start lifting ourselves up little by little. Make sure that your knees do not open out, but they stay in the same posture, and roll your shoulders underneath you. One possibility is to press your palms to the floor, and the other option is to interlace your fingers and press yourself that way up. We stay in here for 3 more breaths. We release slowly, hug our knees into our chest, roll slightly. This is a counter pose. And let our legs back to the ground. When you're doing bridge, make sure that your chin is not in your chest, but try to keep space in between. So we're gonna go for another round. So make sure, again, your posture is correct. And with an inhale, lift yourself up. Roll your shoulders underneath. Chin away from chest. Breathe deeply. And smile because it's not too serious. And with the next exhale, lower your way back down. Straighten your legs. We're gonna come into a upward plank. Actually, lower yourself down, hug your knees to the chest, and give yourself, your back, a little bit of a massage. Next, we're coming into a upward plank. So straighten your legs, lift yourself up with your elbows. Place your elbows underneath your shoulders and your hands where your elbows were. So we're gonna start lifting ourselves up. Make sure that your legs are active. And with an inhale, start lifting your body up. Try to make your toes touch the ground. And once you're up, release your head. With the next exhale, bring yourself down. Bring your legs close to your groins. We're gonna come into a camel. So keep your toes tucked underneath. Go on top of your knees. And from here, look up, lift your chest up. Place your hands, either fingers pointing down or fingers pointing up, whatever is more comfortable for you today. And start lifting from your chest and bending back. If this feels comfortable for you, you can continue with me to the more advanced modification of this posture. So lifting your chest up and one by one, grabbing your ankles. And once you're here, you can release your head. And with the next inhalation, bring your hands one by one to your back to make sure you're coming back safely. From a camel pose, we are making our way to Ashtanga Namaskara, the 8-limb salutation. So make your way into a plank. And from here, start with lowering your knees. And once you're bringing your chest and chin to the floor, make sure that your elbows stay close to your body. So start lowering yourself. Bring your chest and chin to the ground. We stay here for 3 breaths. And from here we make our way to locust. So press yourself to the ground. Release your legs. Make sure your legs are about hip distance apart. Place your arms beside your body, palms facing up. And with the next inhalation, we're gonna lift ourselves up into locust. So inhale, lift your head, arms and feet up. We're gonna stay here for about 5 breaths, but if you want to, you can keep on going for longer. It's a great strengthening exercise for the whole body. With the next exhale, make your way down, put your cheek to the ground, relax. And we will do it one more time. So with the next inhale, lift your head, arms and feet off the ground. And with an exhale, bring the opposite cheek to the ground. Now place your arms underneath your shoulders, tuck your toes. We're gonna make our way into a child's pose. So press yourself up, open your knees, and let your body sink in between your knees. Now there's 2 variations that you can do. You can either keep your hands in front of you, or you can bring them next to your body. Place your forehead on the ground. Calm your breath and just feel how your body feels right now. And from a child's pose, we'll make our way back to an easy seated pose. So bring your hands in front of you, lift yourself up, cross your legs, and make your way back to the center. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you really feel the flow, you really feel that you challenge your body. These are great exercises to strengthen lower back, and this will also prepare you to go to deeper back bends. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this practice brought you some kind of insight and you learned something new from it. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for joining us here at Jiva Yoga Live. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Namaste.